Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Bryn. If it's your first time, welcome to my channel. I am so bored. This whole lockdown is never ending.
Oh, boo-hoo! Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
And I'm honestly running out of things to do. I don't know about you. So today we're doing something a little bit different. Like really different actually. I am gonna go 1912 on you for a day and go through a full hair tutorial from start to finish. For my hair to be looking like this, I've just given up here in quarantine. It's very frizzy. I like put some French braids at the top a couple days ago. They've been in there for a while. It's a rat's nest. Let's get started. I've let myself go. Anyway.
Johnny, get your gun, get your gun, get your gun.
Okay. Here it is. It smells like ice cream. I'm not even joking. Like mint ice cream. Ooh. No, I shouldn't taste it, right? It's a raw egg. Okay. Let's play a game. Let's see how many bobby pins I've shoved into my hair over the past 3-4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think we are free to proceed. Oh, wait. I swear I just felt another one. Or was it a knot? Probably a combination of both, so we'll work through it. How am I supposed to do this with this much hair? Like honestly, this is gonna take me forever. So I'm not gonna hate on this process. You're just supposed to like wet your fingertips with the mix and rub it. I actually think that this is smart, the whole rubbing thing, because it probably lifts a lot of dirt and a lot of clogged hair follicles from being clogged. It actually smells so good, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of slimy in certain parts because of the egg white or the egg. Some facts about the Edwardian era. Women still couldn't vote, but men could. Child labor was abolished. The speed of a car in the Edwardian era, so we're talking like early 1900s, was 12 miles per hour. Side note, this rubbing motion is actually really good for the scalp because it brings blood to the scalp, so I feel like we should give people in the Edwardian era a little bit more credit because they definitely knew how to grow some nice long luscious hair based on the rubbing motion alone. I'm all for corsets. Like, I wish they came back in style because they just do so much for your hourglass. But they're really bad for your internal organs and like bad for your intestines and stuff, and I think they made women faint a lot back in the day because it put pressure on their lungs, so I'm really not sure if we should bring the corset back, but I definitely think it served its purpose. I'm pretty sure women wanted something like an 18-inch waist back in the day, which is crazy because now you're considered skinny if your waist is like 23, 24 in the modeling industry. So another 5 inches smaller. I mean, granted, we're taller these days, but still, corseting was not good for you. My scalp is thoroughly wet, so now I'm just gonna dip the rest of my hair in this egg shampoo. Surprisingly, it's not that slippery and messy because the egg is a binder and it really makes it sticky, which is easy for cleanup. I'm honestly just shoving my head into this bowl at this point. I thought I wasn't gonna have enough, but this is surprisingly a lot of egg shampoo. I just thought that I got the egg shampoo on the couch, and I just pictured having to explain myself to my boyfriend and his reaction. Okay. Gotta get every last drop. Okay, hair is officially shampooed. Now I'm gonna rinse this out of my hair and follow the next steps. So I'm just gonna use some cold water, which is my least favorite thing to put on my hair. I love hot, steamy showers, but it's 1912 and they didn't have that. So let's go. Woo! Side note, I am so afraid to detangle my hair without conditioner. I don't think I've ever tried to do this in my life. So pray for me. So far my hair is pretty knot free, but that's because I didn't actually rub the egg mixture through this part of my hair. I just rubbed it in circular motions on my scalp. So it shouldn't be that knotted, to be very honest. But it's still, I feel like I'm ripping my hair because I don't have a conditioner to like slip the comb through, you know what I'm saying? Who had the time for this in 1911? Weren't they working like farms and in factories and chasing after like 12 kids? I just don't understand. Not gonna lie, my hair smells really good. I either have egg or snot left over in my hair. This is the result of my detangling. I have some egg on my thighs, lots of hair, but it's okay, you know what? Because we're on to the next step. Side note, facts about me, I hate slimy. I was looking for the word. I hate slimy eggs with a burning passion. I want my eggs hard poached, hard boiled, or scrambled dry. Miss me with that slimy undercooked egg. Ugh. So the next step is to sit for 30 minutes in the sun, because apparently this is good for your hair, especially if you have thinning hair. And they were not wrong. Sunlight definitely brings circulation to your scalp. So about to catch me some rays.
One eternity later.
I'm back and my hair is dry, and I am so surprised because I actually really like the way that my curls dried without any product. I didn't do anything to my hair. I just did the egg shampoo and it's soft and surprisingly not a lot of frizz. Yeah, tell me what you think. Like, maybe I'm just having a good hair day and there isn't a lot of humidity in the environment. I'm hoping it's not that. I think it was actually like the protein in the egg. Anyway, to finish off, I'm going to be doing a hairstyle from 1912, you guessed it. It is called the Recamier Coiffeur.
Ooh la la.
And it's pretty cute for the time. Oh, left myself a little rat tail. So what do you think? This is the Recamier Coiffeur on curly hair. So now, let's go and see what my boyfriend has to say. He's listening to traditional Mexican music. I don't know why. I mean, we did have tacos for dinner. Maybe that's why. Babe! What do you think of my hair?
The Queen's signature crimson color includes
Do you like it?
ingredients like egg whites, fig milk. Many scholars, probably Kylie Jenner, credit Queen Elizabeth with the invention of the lip pencil. Queen's lip liner pencil
What do you think?
was made from a blend of alabaster and dye, which was dried in the sun before lining the lips. Feedback from Bay was it's interesting, and then he immediately turned away and went on his phone, so he's tired of my bullshit, and that's okay. I tried something new. I tried to spice it up. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any hair tutorials, any errands that you want me to explore, comment, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.